Okay, so the market is creating a pattern that I'm looking for, which is a double top in this area. All I'm looking for right now is for this red candle to close red or bearish, for me to confirm the double top, and then I'll find my entry in the market. Okay, so the market did close with a bearish candle. I'm about to place a sell. Sell placed. Now I'm about to set my stop loss, take profit, and watch the trade run. I set my stop loss and take profit from my phone because to me it's a lot easier to do it from the phone. I take these exact setups every single day. This is literally the easiest strategy you can learn in Forex to be profitable and or consistently profitable over time. Literally the easiest strategy ever. If you guys want to learn this easy strategy, it's simple. Just comment the word strategy and I'll make a video explaining exactly how I find and take these trades. Anyway, so far the bearish momentum seems really strong. I feel confident about this trade. My stop loss and take profits are there. I'm gonna pinch the screen so you guys can see better. Alright, there we go. So I have my stops, I have my take profit. I'm very confident in the trade. I think my entry is good. We just have to see how the trade plays out now. As soon as it gets to 3394.40, I'm going to think about trailing my profits or breaking even, basically. I'm just going to be patient and let trade play out and see what the end result is. All right, so we got a break and close below 3385.40, which is a good sign. It's at the level where I said I will be breaking even. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be breaking even. Yes, I'm going to be breaking even. I'd rather the trade stop me out that break even than I lose profits, to be honest. So I broke even. Now it's just time to let the trade play out. If it gets close to my take profit, I might close early because sometimes these trades have a way of getting so close to your take profit and just turning back and going right back to your entry and stopping you out at break even. So I'd rather to lock in some profits than to have the profits go to waste, to be honest. But I'm going to be watching the trade and just letting it play out right now. All right, that was a strong bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle. I broke even, so I'm a bit more confident knowing that I won't be losing anything. So I'm just gonna let the trade play out. All right, that's a decent gap for the next candle open. It's a good sign that the market is going bearish right now. So we just have to wait and see. All right, strong bearish close, bearish engulfing candle. Back to this possible resistance level, and I just see it breaking through and hitting TP. But we just have to wait and see. We're just letting the trade play out. All right, strong signal going towards take profit. Let's just see it's going to work out. All right, I don't like this rejection at all. I'll be trailing my profits. Mm, this looks. I might be closing early. That looks like a rejection. I'm not even taking. Yeah, I might be closing early. Let me just see how this last candle plays out. Depending on how it closes, I'll be exiting the trade. Secure my profits. Good push to the downside, closer to the TP. If this turns back, it doesn't make sense waiting. Just close. Alright, I'm out. I am getting out. Yep. Alright, let me just see how this closes. Alright, I'm out. Decent trade. Can't complain. Locked in some profits. And I'm going to be looking for the next setup.